Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create affiliate tracking template in Notion. So we will add one page which is going to be empty. Then second thing, we will add a table as database. If you don't have any data source, you can start with new database. Here you can, let's see, start with affiliate merchant name. So that would be your first column. Then second, I will get rid of tags. I don't need it for this purpose. Next number, which is going to be commission amount, right? Sorry for the spell mistake. Here I can choose US dollar commission, and next would be using your payment status, which is going to be a select option status, right? And then we will add option as pending, completed, and let's say processed, right? And then we will also take a look at date on which that affiliate sales was completed, and finally notes, just to put up some of the notes option here. Now let's also take a look at our typical tracking name here, affiliate tracking template, or just keep it as affiliate tracking. Now merchant here, let's see, we have merchant like Studio Press. Let's say commission we have is 59. Then payment status, let's see pending. Let's see date is 5th of February. Like this, I can add another merchant which is, let's say, send in blue, right? Then commission amount 59 again, right? Then here I got paid, so I will use completed. Then let's see, 12th of February is the date. Like this, I can pretty much create a tracker showing all the merchant transactions and the sale that I have made, right? You can add additional columns, make this tracker more clean and visible for yourself, right? You can also try out calendar based. So here you may want to change the view with, let's say, calendar if you want, but it doesn't look good. It just shows out your merchant sales. List is also not suitable, so we'll stick with table, because as you can see, table looks a lot cleaner as well. So these are some of the things you can do with affiliate tracking template in Notion.